How about we create a Cider.ai presentation, okay? With Cider.ai comma for a presentation. Let's say we're doing a class project, for example. We have the slides section where it'll ask what kind of presentation we want to make today. We can upload files for reference. I'll do it, alright? I'm going to upload this file here, okay? There's the intro. I'll show you the cover of this file so you can see it. It's 33 pages explaining a bit about N8N. It's in Spanish, but you'll each have it in your language, okay? We simply explain the basics of N8N and such free in the description. N8N is an app for AI-powered automation. Let's see how we can use it. What presentation would you like to create today? Alright, I think I'll ask you to do this in English, okay? I'll repeat that. You all have it translated. If this video is in Korean, know that the description's in Korean too. We also provide AI docs and of course, who's the target audience for the presentation aimed at students? What's the main goal of the presentation? An introduction. Which aspects of N8 and N should be highlighted? Its capabilities. What visual and communication style do you prefer? A formal one, right? Or maybe a marketing approach with visual impact. Let's go with that. Any other requirements or key messages for the presentation? Nothing. Let's send it. We only get one free creation, so let's see. Let's see if the result is as good as we hope. It's actually pretty cool because it's using all the data I provided, right? It's looking through the presentations a bit. The colors, blue and purple, are made up. Though shame about the actual colors, but let's keep watching. It's searching for images like workflows and such. See? These are basically N8N workflows. And I like how it's shaping up. It's about to make a presentation. Let's see. All right, let's check out the result, okay? Here's the image, which we can move. It's a bit off. N8N automates smarter, not harder, right? Low code, open source. So far, the information looks good. What is an 8N? An open source platform with 400 plus integrations, self-hosted visual interface. Seems like info's missing, but if you get it all at first, it's fine. For a novice, such technical info without context might be overwhelming. So, how does N8N work? A trigger starts the flow, connects services, transforms data. Okay, that's quite general. Key features, webhooks, and AI agents in N8N. Note that I asked for the presentation in English, yet it's in Spanish, right? It lists agents, natural dialogues, great for customer service and data handling. Yeah, honestly, the presentation's aesthetics are quite poor. It's rather unappealing, you know? Some elements are misplaced and need repositioning and so on. I really appreciate the research done. Perhaps giving all the info wasn't ideal as it's about something I know well, but overall I think this QR idea is great. Start today with N8NE, putting that QR at the end. Not a bad idea, huh? Putting a QR at the end for people to scan, I really like it. So there we have a quick overview of the entire presentation. Honestly, it's not bad. Not the best I've seen, but not bad, right? It's decent. Aesthetically smooth with minimal text if you like that style. Colors aren't my favorite, but there are cool ideas to build on, you know? Which is pretty important. For a final product, it's a bit lacking, especially with just 10 slides. And as always, you can make edits and changes. So there you have it.